I'll drive you. Come. Yeah, come on. This is a very hard day. Yeah. God. It was. Oh, yeah. Let's play it at the down. Mommy. Mom, it's right here.
No. Aren't you girls making a movie?
Yeah. Mommy, can I pick one for you?
No, Chloe. They're Grandma's flowers.
How did you close it? How did you open it? These are open. Oh, now we gotta draw the car. Where's my car keys? Honey, I told you to put your car keys in my car keys. Thank you. Let's do it. I got a backpack with that. It says, right? Okay. Now you're at school, honey. No, not day. It's 50,000 days. It's 1. Wait, honey. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are you going to count to 50,000?
9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. That's all. Ooh, that's awesome. Oh, I should go somewhere, right, honey? I'm driving this car.
Alright, finish up.
Oh, yeah, we should. I'm going, honey. I need to go and go. Go and go. Because I need to talk to your principal now. That's it? Yeah, so I'm safe. And my dog is a principal. I'll come back for you. We're here for you. I'm back. Mom. Mommy, come on. We need to drive the car, honey. I'm driving my own car.